Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope that all of you are fine. Today we will see the lesson causes versus effects, or causes versus results or consequence. Okay. This lesson is very easy. I just want you to do the application plus a composition. We will see the lesson today, and in another video we will see how to write a composition, and I will give you a work about it. So we will start with effect. بنسهل عليكم الدرس. We will start by effect. So effects عندنا therefore and so. They express consequence or result. So and therefore are preceded by the cause and followed by the effect. So is one for one of the fun boys, if you heard about fun boys, and therefore we have therefore. We will see examples. Look at the examples, and we will see the punctuation of in every sentence. Okay, the first example is I have enough money, comma, so I don't buy a car. I don't buy a car. We have here the full stop. لهنا عندنا un point à la fin de chaque phrase, d'accord? Donc بدينا بso. So is one of the fun boys. And then the other example, he was very hungry, comma, so he ate all the cake. So he ate all the cake. Look at the punctuation here. In the first sentence, which is the cause, he was very hungry. This is the cause. Comma, we have so, and directly we have the second sentence, which is the effect. He ate all the cake. Okay? اللي هنا punctuation واش عندنا comma برك before the first sentence or the cause. Okay? And about therefore, we will see another punctuation. About the therefore, we have another punctuation. We have another punctuation, which is a point or a period. We have a period before the first sentence, which is the cause. He was very hungry. And we have therefore, comma, he ate all the cake. Okay, comma, he ate all the cake. So therefore is preceded by a full stop, the cause and a full stop. I'm sorry about سمحوا لي على هذا الحس، الجيران راهم حلطوا، سمحوا لي، ركزوا معايا مع الفيديو واش راني نشرح. Okay, so he was very hungry. We have a period, and then we have therefore, comma, he ate all the cake. ردوا بالكم ان هنايا كابابل نمد لكم الاكسرسايز ولا يمدوا لكم الاكسرسايز في ان اكزامان، يمدوا لكم البونكتويشن برك نتوما تعرفوا واش ديروا حتى اذا فهمتوش واش معنى الكلمات. vous êtes des francophones، على بالي il y a des gens اللي يفهموا مليح مليح لا لونغ انجليز، مي il y a des gens ما يفهمش، ما يعرفش وينها لا كوز وينها الايفكت or consequence or the result. okay, so من punctuation يعرف واش يدير اسكو so ولا therefore. This is about the effect. notez bien. So always comes after the comma. okay, so always comes after the comma قبل الفاصلة، وما عندها والو موراها، عندها directly the effect. okay, the cause plus comma plus so plus effect. And therefore is always after the period and before the comma. يعني اللي احنا عندنا therefore كما راكم تشوفوا لهنايا راهي after the period and before the comma. have you understood؟ عندنا الكوز، عندنا period اللي هي النقطة، عندنا therefore plus the comma plus the effect. okay, so another examples, it is time for lunch, comma, so you must wash your hands, comma. على ذيك ما بديناش بالماجيسكيل، عندنا comma هنايا. so you must wash your hands. it is time for lunch, it's the cause, and then we have comma so, and we have directly the effect, which is you must wash your hands. The second example, we have therefore. It is time for lunch. We have the same example, but look at the punctuation here. It is the same. It is a time for lunch. We have period. Therefore, parce que عندنا period بدينا بماجيسكي. Therefore, عندنا comma. You must wash your hands. Okay? إن شاء الله تكونوا فهمتوها. بديت لكم بالإيفكت دوكا. اوتوماتيكمون تفهموا لي الكوز. B, we have the cause or the reason. Okay? We use to express the cause or the reason, we use as and we use because. As and because they express the cause or the reason. Okay? We have as and before are preceded by the consequence and followed by the cause. على عكس the sentence اللي تكون عندنا كي نكونوا رايحين نعبروا على the effect. Okay؟ تماك بدينا بالكوز وكملنا بالإيفكت. اللي هنا لا نبداو بالإيفكت اللي هو الكونسيكونس، من بعد نديرو as ولا because ونروحوا للكوز. اوكي؟ هذه as and because and therefore and so and as a result etc. هذو they connect between two independent sentences. نرجعوا لهنايا. هنا واش عندنا؟ two independent sentences. The first sentence is the cause. It doesn't need another sentence to complete the meaning. We have all the meaning here. Here we have the complete meaning. I don't have enough money. We don't have another words or another sentence to complete the meaning. I don't have money. ما عنديش دراهم. The second is I don't buy a car. They are two independent sentences with complete meaning. The same ولا هنايا عندنا ثاني because ولا as they connect between two independent sentences. نشوفوا example. The first sentence is I must talk to my teacher. The second sentence is I can't do the exercise. كي تكون عندنا because we have no punctuation. Okay? With any punctuation. ما عندناش punctuation. يعني we write the consequence and we write directly because and we write directly also the second sentence which is the cause. Okay? We will see another example. We decided to go out because it was pleasant to a pleasant evening. Okay? We decided to go out. It was a pleasant evening. So, اللي هنايا في exercise. For example, I will give you a sentence and points without punctuation. Without punctuation, what we write because. حتى إذا ما فهمتوش المعنى تاع الجملة تقدروا تديروا لي تقدروا تديروا لي الإجابة بلا ما تفهموا المينين. Okay? We decided to go out because it was a pleasant evening. Another example about as. As is always in the beginning of the sentence. As it was a pleasant evening. يعني as تجي بعدها قبالة الكوز. إلا راكم تروماركو باللي because and as are always followed by the cause. Okay? As and because are always followed by the cause. كي كانت هذا because راهي دائما تجي في in the middle of the sentence. الكوز جاتنا في لافان. كي هنايا عندنا as always in the beginning of the sentence. So درنا as من بعد درنا الكوز تاعنا من بعدها comma and we decided to go out. The consequence. Okay? يعني always as تبعها لا cause. As is always followed by the cause. As it was a pleasant evening, we decided to go out. But here we have a punctuation between the cause and the consequence, which is a comma. I hope that you understood this point here. And now, as and because are always followed by the cause. Because always comes at the end of the first sentence. Consequence plus the cause plus the reason. Okay? The reason or the cause. As always comes at the beginning of the first sentence, which is the cause, while the second sentence always begins with comma اللي هي الفاصلة. عندنا as plus cause plus comma plus consequence. We will see in examples. The first example is with the as. We have as it is time for lunch, comma, you must wash your hands. As it is time for lunch, comma, you must wash your hands. The consequence is you must wash your hands. The second sentence, we have the same sentence but with because, with another connector, okay? You must wash your hands. Here we have you must wash your hands, the consequence, because it is time for lunch, the reason, okay? We have no punctuations here, but with as we have a comma. Here is the application. So here is the application. عندكم هذه الابليكاسيون تحلوها وتبعتوها لي في الايميل، سينو تمدوها لي. تقدروا تجوا الاربعاء الجايه تصيبوني في لاصال دانفورماتيك، جيبوها لي في ورقه، اوكي؟ just 1 minute نروح نجيب الاسماء تاع اللي حضروا، عادل رباحي اكسترا. نتوما ما كان I'm coming. Write the application. راني خليت لكم الوقت باه تكتبوا الابليكاسيون، وبيان تقدروا تحبسوا لا فيديو، وتكتبوا تقدروا تحبسوا لا فيديو وتكتبوا الابليكيشن وتجاوبوا لي عليها. سهله بزاف، ما هي والو. هذه راهم عندي الورك اوف يور colleagues. عندي عادل رباحي and جزار طاهر and العريبي نبيلة، جزار طاهر and رباحي عادل. نتوما هذه الابليكاسيون ما كلا تجيبوها لي باسكو وراقكم راهم عندي، يبقاو لي زملائكم يخدموا هذه الابليكاسيون ويجيبوها لي في وراقي. نهار الاربعاء يلقاوني في لاصال دانفورماتيك، وبيا يبعثوها لي في الايميل تاعي كاع راكم عارفينه، وفي اقرب وقت ممكن، باسكو علاه تبعثوها لي في هذه لا سيمين. داكور؟ اللي ما يبعثها ليش في هذه لا سيمين عنده زيرو، وما كلا ترسلوا لي روطار. Good luck dear students. In another video we will see how to write a composition. هذه الابليكاسيون عليها 5 نقاط، اوكي؟ نهضر بالعربيه. هذه الابليكاسيون عليها 5 نقاط بلاس لا بريزونس. عندكم كاع 5 بوين الا الجروب 5 تاع عادل ونبيله وطاهر. جاو حضروا عندي عادل نبيله طاهر، سي با لا بين يعاودوا لي لابليكاسيون. عندهم 5 تاع لا بريزونس تاعهم. الجروب 5 تنحسب لهم لا بريزونس تاعهم بطريقه واحده اخرى. لي جروب الاخرين عندكم كاع لي 5 تاع لا بريزونس، وعندكم 5 تاع هذه لابليكاسيون. تبقى لكم 10 تاع الكومبوزيشن. رايحه ندير لكم فيديو هاو تو رايت ا كومبوزيشن. هذه السمانه ما نجيش، نتلاقاو نهار الاربعاء في لاصال دانفورماتيك. اللي بغى يجيب لي الابليكيشن مكتوبه، ونتلاقاو الاثنين الجاي والثلاثه الجايه ان شاء الله في الكلاسه، اوكي؟ about the composition تقدروا تجيبوها لي السمانه الجايه ان شاء الله في الحصه ماذا بيا. اللي ما قدرش يجيبها لي في الحصه يقدر يجيبها لي في الايام تاع لي زيكزامان، مي ما كان لا يدير لي روطار باسكو هذا المره ما نزيدش نرجع للجامعه، اوكي؟ good luck. I'll see you in the other video, in the next video. Goodbye.